Hey everybody, welcome back. So today is day 2 of our travel day. Yesterday we went to Savannah, Georgia, downtown, and we met up with some family. And then today we're gonna go
to Magic Kingdom, but yes, we were going to go to Epcot, but when we met up with the family, they said they had to be back to Georgia in the morning, so Magic Kingdom has earlier hours for us to go. Today we're going to Magic Kingdom.
So today we're going to go to Magic Kingdom. We're going to try to ride Space Mountain, and it shouldn't be bad because
we're going to ride everything.
We're gonna try to ride everything. We're gonna try to see if we can do everything today. We have to leave a little bit earlier than they close because, like I said, they have to be back to work, and we have to drive them back to their cars so that we only gotta pay for one parking. All right, so let's get into today. So we're gonna see if people can guess your outfit. Hey, Bounders. I've been doing a video, it's not a picture. Here she go. You wanna get a picture with him too, love? These are some cute dresses. Yeah, she has a seat. I hope she got a seat belt. That looks so scary. They must be a ladder that they climb up. Oh, I missed it. You seen them come down? But we should ride that.
I ducked down when that happened.
We're gonna get wet on that, so I don't know if we should ride it first or. got a pen? Oh, okay. I saw that. I showed that.
Are you 51? Are you 51 years old? Okay.
Probably, yeah.
They were screaming down there, Nigel. It's fine.
That's Splash Mountain.
These dinosaurs.
So we just got off of Big Thunder Mountain. And if you are scared of roller coasters like me, it is a good roller coaster because it doesn't have the heights and the drops. So it's just like a lot of whipping and turning, and we rode in the back. So what was your take on it?
I liked it. It was a good ride. I got the most turbulence. I sat in like the very back.
So yeah, we recommend it. Yeah. Good. Right now. Alright, we're about to get real wet. So we just got done with Splash Mountain and it was fun. If you don't watch the storyline, if you don't watch like videos of it, then you'll get like some cute surprises on it and stuff like that, and like, you know, you'll be thrilled. But if you watch it, then you'll be expecting, I'm going the wrong way, then you'll be expecting the stuff. But regardless, it was fun, and like, it's a hit and miss if you get wet. But
So I got wet. I got my eyes open. So it was like my sister was like, "Oh my God, take the pictures! The pictures! We gotta pose." So I kept my eyes open. I got splashed in my eyes.
so
Keep my eyes closed.
Sophia got drowned. She was like the only one. All right. Walked over to Space Mountain. About to get on Space Mountain. The wait says 30 minutes. We're gonna see how long it is. We just came from the Speedway. That was quick. I think a cute ride if you have like little kids, but not so much for bigger kids, right? Yeah, not so much for bigger kids. For little kids, it's cute. It's something cute to do. All right, so the line is moving quick. So hopefully it won't take the full 30 minutes. So we just got off of Space Mountain, and the junk is crazy because it's dark.
And it's just like a bunch of plastic lights.
It's like flashing lights here. You don't really see much. I can't focus when we're running. I'm trying to. I never get that far. Okay, definitely recommend. Right? Definitely, that was good. And the wait was only like 10-15 minutes, so it wasn't the full time. I like this. You like this? This would be a whole cute outfit. Jacket. That's how much. I don't know how much the jacket is. Yeah, that's how you meet them. You can stand right there and get a socially distanced picture. You want to do that? All right. Go ahead. So So you stand and you get a picture. So we just got done with Buzz Lightyear. It's cute. The cute part about it is like keeping your score and trying to get. I only got like a 6,200 though. I don't know what a good score is, but I haven't done it in a long time. But it's cute. It's a cute little game to play, and you get to keep cool. We've been on a few other rides. It is hot. My feet are tired. I'm ready to go. But we're making good time. So if you wanted to come right now, you can get on basically everything. You came a couple hours after opening. But if you came on time, you can get on everything. Have time to sit down and eat and everything and stuff. And it wouldn't be any kind of problem. Okay, so we just got done with Haunted Mansion. I thought it was cute. If you have like little kids and you want to give them like a cute little scare or whatever, it's cute, whatever and stuff. What were your thoughts?
I thought it was very interesting.
You thought it was entertaining? Okay, so yeah, so it's cool air. So cool air is always good. So it was a cute little ride, and the ride had changed because it was 50 minutes earlier. We went on, we did a bunch of other rides, and then we came back and it was a 20-minute wait. So basically, it was just walk straight right on because it wasn't the full 20 minutes. All right, let's go on to Snow White. And then there's the fairy godmother.
I can't mess her. I can't be friends with her. You don't know.
Alright. So we just got off of Pirates of the Caribbean, and I would recommend it because the animatronics are so cute and everything.
My sister thought they were real. I had to tell her they weren't.
Yeah, they were fussing like they're real. She's like, they're not real. What was I looking for? But now we're going to the Jungle Boat and then we're out of here. All right. Okay, so we just got done with the
What is it? Jungle Cruise.
The Jungle Cruise, and what did you think of it?
I think it was very fun. It was like it's very entertaining. Everybody in general, like young kids, older people.
Yeah. So it's cute and it's a rest if you need a rest, and they give you a little comedy and stuff, and you get to see the cute little animatronic animals and different things. All right.
Now we're all going to stand up. We're going to sit on this line. We're nice and close together. Super close. You put your arms down your chest for this one. There you go, beautiful. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. Keep smiling on there. Ready? 3, 2, 1. We'll do a special one too. This is called a magic shot. You're gonna put something in your hands for this one. You're gonna put a hand out, make a little pile of hands. And then look at your hand. Pretend like there's something amazing in there. With your eyes, look super excited. Here we go.
So that was it for today. We had a good time. What were your thoughts on it?
It was a very fun day, and Tiana called me pretty, so I'm a very accomplished person in life, and nothing better will ever happen to me.
Yeah, she got to see Tiana on the cavalcade, and I think she recognized her little bounding, and so she spoke with her, and that was super cute. And we got to ride so many rides, because the last time she came with her father, she was only able to ride 2. Hold on. So we did good. We did good today. And so tomorrow we're gonna go to Epcot. So make sure to
For Food and Wine Festival.
Yeah, so for Food and Wine Festival, we're gonna ride some rides too and stuff. So we're gonna do that. So we're gonna have fun with that, and we're having a ball. So make sure to subscribe, and you'll get to follow along. And we'll be doing other things too when we get back to New York and different places. We'll be traveling, but school is starting back up. So this is our last trip before school starts back up, especially since we've been in the house all summer, really. All right, so bye.